In this demo, I will show you how to install a AhsayCBS hotfix on Linux using command line. Starting off, where do you obtain this CBS hotfix? Either you are downloading it from our Ahsay Partner Portal through the unofficial hotfix release page, or via a support ticket where our developers or our support team has sent you a special link for a specific hotfix. To access the Ahsay Partner Portal, go to www.ahsay.com. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a yellow icon that says Partner Portal. Click on it to sign in. Once the sign-in page loads, you'll want to log in with your credentials. The Ahsay Partner Portal uses the same credentials as the Ahsay Shop. Once the Partner Portal page loads, you can click on the product and software and then scroll down to the hotfix for V8 or V7. And if you need the latest releases for V8 or V7, they are through the same submenu page, as well as the documentation guides. So for this demo, we will click on hotfix V8, which is our latest release. Now that the hotfix release page is loaded, we can see that the current version of the hotfixes are for the base release of V8.3.2.11. The hotfix release page was last reviewed on February 24th. You must have a base version of 8.3.2.11 before you can install any of these hotfixes. If you are running a prior V8 version, such as V8.3.0.30 or V8.1, you will need to first upgrade your CBS installation using the latest download release, V8.3.2.11, and then come here to download the hotfixes. The same goes for OBM and ACB. They must be a minimum of 8.3.2.11 before you can install the hotfixes. Installing a hotfix to a prior release will cause problems. Alternatively, if you were sent an email message with the special download link, go ahead and download that hotfix instead. Remember not to install a hotfix if the hotfix is a lower version than you are currently running. Take, for example, this email message. It says the fix is based on V8.3.0.30 or above. Please note the words "or above." The hotfix applies to the release of the V8.3.0.30. It does not apply to a later version release such as 8.3.2.11. Installing this hotfix on a 8.3.2.11 will cause problems. Next, if you look at the lines, please download the hotfix here, and then you see the URL. You can note which version of hotfix this is by looking at the /83/830144. This means the hotfix is for 8.3.0.144 will be your version after you install your hotfix. Number 2, are CBS hotfixes cumulative, or must you install them in sequence? They are cumulative. Do not install a lower CBS hotfix version than your current CBS version. If you need a step-by-step guide, the URL is available through our Ahsay wiki page. You can search for it on how to apply a hotfix to AhsayCBS. Now I will show you how you can do it through this demo. I'll download the hotfix using wget. Then I will confirm my CBS current version through my CBS user interface. I will check that there's no live activities running, no jobs or restore jobs. Then I will disable auto update AUA for all of my users. Then I will stop the CBS service, create rollback copies, install the hotfix, start the CBS service, and verify the CBS version through the CBS user interface. After you have gained shell access to your CBS server's Linux server, you will want to sus root, cd into your CBS installation directory. In my example, it'll be /user/local/cbs. After that, I do a more on version.txt just to get my baseline installation, which is 8.3.2.11. I will create a directory, hotfix. In my case, it will be all capital letters hotfix. I will cd into that directory. And then I will use wget on the URL for the specific hotfix that I want to download. If wget is not installed on your server, you'll want to contact your Linux administrator to help you installing wget. Instead of using wget, you have other alternatives in Linux to transfer the hotfix to the server. You can download it from another machine and then use FTP or SFTP to transfer it over. Once the hotfix has finished downloading, I will use the command unzip to unzip the package. Now, if you don't have unzip, you'll also need to install that. Now I'm just going to inspect the directories that are included with this hotfix. After it has unzipped, I'm just cding into the download directory and then cding into the lib directory just to see the contents. As you can see, there's only a certain amount of files that are included with the hotfix. They are not the full directories for download or lib. So when you actually do the installation of the hotfix, you'll want to only replace these files into the original directory. Before you actually install the CBS hotfix, there's two things you want to do. Through a web browser, log into your CBS administrator view, check on the CBS version that you are currently running to make sure that you are not installing a hotfix version lower than your current CBS version. And number two, you click on live activities to ensure that there are no currently running backup jobs or restore jobs. I'm logging into my CBS as a CBS admin so I can check on the license version that I'm currently running. Under System Settings, the orange area, click on License, and then scroll down to look at your CBS version. In this example, my product version is 8.3.0.30, so I can install a hotfix within this 8.3.0 base version. Do not apply a 8.3.2.11 hotfix to this CBS server. Next, I'm going to look at live activities to make sure that I do not have any running jobs. So I'm going to click on live activities, look at the backup status and the restore status. Lastly, sometimes hotfixes might include the auto update packages. So to avoid any unforeseen issues with auto update, where a user should not be receiving the updated hotfix, go ahead and disable auto update for all your users. So you want to go into Manage Users, click on the selection of your users, and then click on the auto update icon. From here, you want to select which users you want to disable. Mark them, and then click on the Cancel Auto Update icon, which is the icon with the circle slashed through the gears. Now that you're ready to install the hotfix, cd into your CBS home installation directory /user/local/cbs in my demo, cd into the bin directory, and then do the shutdown command. Wait until the service has fully shut down. After CBS service has shut down, cd into your CBS installation directory, and then you want to do a copy for the directories that the hotfix has included, such as the download directory and the lib directory. This is to create a rollback copy of both of those directories. As you can see on the screen, my copy directory will append a suffix of period and then the CBS version 83211, and then I will do that the same with the download directory. These are my rollback copies of the full contents of both lib and download, just in case I need to roll back to the previous version. And just as a reminder, the hotfix only includes lib and download. But if you're downloading a different hotfix version, it might include other directories, so include them when you create your rollback copies. Now I'm ready to install the hotfix. I will use the cp command to copy from source to destination, source being the hotfix directory I created where I had unzipped the hotfix, and then the destination will be my /user/local/cbs lib, and also /user/local/cbs/download. And now these are the two hotfix directories that are bundled. Now again, if your hotfix that you are installing includes other directories, make sure you are doing the correct commands for the source and destination directories. Now I'm just doing an ls to check that the cbs.jar file matches my production location and my hotfix location, just to ensure that the copy command worked successfully. Now that the hotfix is installed, I'm going to go ahead and start up my CBS service. And after the CBS service has started up, I will wait a moment, and then through my web browser, I will load up my CBS URL and then log in as an admin, and then I will check to make sure that the version that is listed in my CBS user interface matches the hotfix that I've just installed. 8.3.2.34 is the hotfix version used in this example demo. This concludes this demo on how to install a CBS hotfix on Linux using command line.